Hello. Today's tutorial, we've been looking at how to set up a SHURE PGX4, or just in general, a SHURE wireless mic kit. So here we have our receiver. Here we have our actual headset mic. This is our pack, and this is the cable. So the pack and the mic, it's quite simple. If I want to untangle this, let's do that real quick. Once it's untangled, this is a 4-pin, kind of, you can see. It goes in here, and just gotta spin it until it fits in. Now we bring our receiver and pack all the way back over here. Okay, power bar in here. We're only running 6 legs today, so it's a small show. Untangle this mess.
And remember, dear viewer, generally speaking, you'd want to untangle this beforehand.
Oh yeah, whatever. But that's just the way it is. Or actually, in general, don't have it tangled.
Yeah.
Now, okay, the power is a special. You can just plug it in, but then it's very easy for it to come out. So what we do is a special method. You take the cord, you make a loop like that. You feed the loop into the hole. Like that. And then take the rest of it and push it back through the hole, pull it, and then plug it in. Like that. So now when you pull it, nothing happens. Nice and secure. Headset mics. Stay there. And let's find channel number 1 on the snake. It's not labeled, but everything else is other numbers, so this will be number 1. Number 1. Plug it right in like that. And you can see this is on 16. The general rule, make sure none of your mics overlap with different channels.
Mm-hmm.
Let's turn this on. Okay. And then you can see paired, pop, 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 pop. There you go. Yep. All right, come over here to the board. Let's do this. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Gain up. Yes. Gain is on and gain is good. I wrote that word. Good. And this is on. Oh, it's muted. That's why. Okay. Hello, 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 hello. Ooh, the mic's working. Yay!
Yay!
All right. Pretty simple instructions on the pack itself.
Yes.
Over here, you got your power button. You hold it in to turn it on. To mute it, you hit 1. It'll be orange. Hit it again. It'll be green. If it's dying, it'll show red here. They're very good mics. And then, yeah, that's how to set up a SHURE wireless microphone.
Woo!